Hello everyone, this is my day 10 update. So it's been more of a relaxed day compared to some of the previous days and last week. So this morning I headed to the Bhering factory, which is a converted factory, and now it's a mixed space full of micro and small organisations and entrepreneurs. So anything from craft makers to small creative organisations. So it was a really interesting experience to see how this space differentiates to some of the spaces in the UK, but also how it compares to some of the other areas that I'm focusing on in the port. So it certainly sets a precedent for what could be done in the port area, so Porto Maravilha region, and because there's lots of empty warehouses, and these could be filled by small organisations that are producing or selling their products. I spent a lot of the morning there. Took loads of pictures, which I'll post on the accompanying blog post, and you'll also be able to find out some more information on using the Rio Zones hashtag. So after I left the Bhering factory, I headed back into central Rio de Janeiro to go and finalise a few meetings in the port region and elsewhere. So I'm going to be speaking to the museum tomorrow before I leave on Friday, and also to prepare and follow up on any inquiries that I've received during the day. So tomorrow, Nikki and I are going to be visiting the Olympic Park to go and see what's going on down there now, to see if any of the facilities and venues are in use. So we're going to spend the whole day there, or most of the day there, and I'm going to be heading off in the afternoon to go and speak to another tour operator that's located in central Rio de Janeiro to try and unpick some of the impacts for them as an organisation. But of course I'll keep you updated, and if you've got any questions, anything you want to ask, then feel free to send them through to myself. But I'll speak to you tomorrow after I've visited the Olympic Park.